So recently I was painting this lovely Widowmaker model that was sculpted by Printed Obsession. You can find the model on my mini factory, the link will be down in the description. And one thing occurred to me. I want to do a tutorial or a quick summary of how I mixed up paints for her bodysuit. Now, I know that her bodysuit is not a metal cast or something like that. It's actually some form of pearlescent tricot or bodysuit, whatever, but I managed to make somewhat of a effect of that pearlescent just by mixing up some basic paints that I have. Now, the thing that you need to know is I use cheap acrylic paints. I can't afford Games Workshop, Army Painter or stuff like that, mostly because I don't have a local shop where I can buy them. Therefore, I need to order them online, and shipping costs and stuff like that, yada yada yada. And today I want to focus on this, specifically mixing up paints. I will show you a quick view on my Twitch session. You can go and follow me on Twitch if you want. If you want to join in the comments or give me some ideas, guidances, critique, whatever. So let us jump into it and let me show you how I mixed up cheap paints to make that pearlescent effect. So here's what you need to make that effect. So you need a flat surface to mix your paints, and you need a spatula just so you wouldn't waste any paint. And how you do it is I'm using a cheap acrylic shining silver. Give it a shake and add it on the plate. Now, once you decide which color shade should you use, like this, something that I needed to mix for her bodysuit lines, or in this situation where I need this orange. So this is also a cheap acrylic paint, and now I'm going to start by just adding small amounts, bit by bit, like so, into this shining silver. And you'll see right away that this shining silver, because it's made out of basically gloss medium, a little bit of dark paint, and those small microscopic flakes that make it look silver, you get a nice orange looking metallic acrylic color. Though this looks gold, therefore I need to add a bit more. And that is a summary of orange. Now I'll show you how it looks with a different color. Let me wipe this away. Let's say you need a purple. So here I have also the purple. Add a drop and mix in. Now, of course, because there's a larger amount of this silver, the purple will become quite lighter shade, but you can just add a bit more. Don't add black. Well, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and it will help you achieve the required goal if you ever decide to paint the Widowmaker model that I did. And if you want to help me and support me, go over to my Ko-fi page and donate. And I'll see you on Twitch. Go ahead and give me a follow, and of course go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I hope then in a near future I will post more videos. Currently I'm studying for my exams and stuff like that. Farewell, and I'll see you in the next video or in next stream.